So I am going out for a little bit of night photography. It's actually quite foggy here in Copenhagen, so I thought I would do a little bit of photography. So a little bit of the settings. Of course, it's going to depend on when I am taking the photos, but I put it in manual mode. This is actually something new that I'm trying out. It actually works really well. Normally I shoot in aperture priority, but for me it's actually quite nice just to have complete control of my camera. So right now it's 1/80, and this is just to reduce some of the camera shake that can come. So it's just basic camera theory. It's 1 over the focal length, and this is 55mm. The f-stop is right now at 2.8, but I would like to go down to 1.8. So let's see. I'll play with the settings. Right now it's blinking, so it's extremely underexposed, but let's see when we get to the scene, and I'll fine adjust it. And the ISO is 800 right now. So I think those are kind of the basic, because it's actually quite dark. So let's see. This is actually one of my favorite spots. You can't really see the fog from here, so but anyway. Just trying to catch a few cyclists here at the bridge. It's normally a really good photo scene. So I've bumped up my settings to 1/250, and I am just trying it out. Let's see if it's enough. And then I'm gonna bump up the f-stop to 2.8. I'll try to catch a few cyclists from here. So I'm almost at my secret spot. It's right here. So just want to wait for the perfect subject to walk into my shot here. And she did. Let's get one more. So actually I want to have one single person at the end and take a photo of that instead of like having multiple people. It's just a cleaner shot. It's a little bit difficult. I think I got it. I love this spot. I've been here before. And also, I don't have a lot of battery left, so let's see if I can make the best of it. So this was the impromptu 55mm Sony Zeiss photography. The fog is almost gone, so I think it's a good time to head home. It's actually very late here in Copenhagen, and I actually have my day job that I need to get up to tomorrow morning. So I think that's it for today. See you out there.